Try driving around with something fragile, like a microwave you just bought, unsecured in the bed of your truck. Chances are it will be broken before you get home. To solve this, a Philippines-based company developed the Barricade, a unique crossbar that, when attached to the bedliner wall, prevents cargo from shifting or falling out during transit. Built from high-quality materials, it can support up to 100 kilograms and even includes a handy cargo pocket for holding smaller items. In addition, they offer a cargo net for roof racks. The smallest net measures around 2.5 by 2, while the largest measures 4.5 by 4.5 meters. The price of this kit is $120. Truck Vault, an American-based company known for providing secure drawer systems to the military and law enforcement, is now offering the public a sliding deck system for quick and easy access to cargo. The platform is available in 5 lengths, ranging from 1.5 to 2.3 meters and can comfortably support up to 680 kilograms. However, in testing, it even held nearly a ton without any issues. While this system is ideal for professionals, it's also perfect for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, or even prone shooting practice. To check if your vehicles are compatible, you can visit their website. In the world of MCU, Black Widow's character was designed to take on high-stakes spy missions. In the world of pickup trucks, the Black Widow's ice ramp was designed to take on ice vehicles. With a tri-fold design, the ramp unfolds easily, making it manageable for one person to handle. Once unfolded, it securely rests on your truck's tailgate, and its extra-wide panels offer stability and facilitate smooth loading during use. Conveniently, the setup is quick and simple, taking just 2 minutes. Moreover, the ramp weighs only 22 kilograms, yet it can support up to 680 kilograms. However, this convenience comes with a hefty price tag of nearly $650. What do Hercules and this device have in common besides the name? The Greek hero is famous for his incredible strength, and this device boasts a similar trait with a lifting capacity of over 2 tons. The little Hercules is primarily designed for efficient towing, but what sets it apart is that the driver doesn't even have to leave the cab to secure the vehicle. With just a few button presses, the system extends, grabs, and lifts the vehicle. However, before installing the system, it requires reinforcing the frame, upgrading the suspension, and adding other components. Additionally, it can also be operated using a wired or wireless remote controller. For pricing details, the manufacturer invites you to contact them via phone. Remember how exciting it was to watch or play with dump trucks as a kid? Now, as adults and truck owners, some may want to turn their vehicles into dump trucks. That's where the Busy Dumper insert comes in. Priced at under $4,000, this insert offers a maximum payload capacity of over 2.5 tons and a 60-degree lifting angle, facilitated by a hydraulic cylinder. The installation process is straightforward, with the body being bolted directly to the truck frame. Plus, it can also be controlled via a remote magnetic switch for easy operation. These features make the Busy Dumper ideal for landscapers, contractors, and farmers who need reliable dumping capabilities for their trucks. In 1977, Ericsson Manufacturing was established in a 2-car garage. Over the years, it has grown into a leading manufacturer of load-securing products in North America. So it makes sense their product should be as reliable as possible. For instance, their Tailgate Extender is designed to increase the cargo capacity of pickup trucks and other vehicles by up to 1.2 meters, allowing users to safely transport longer items such as lumber, ladders, fishing boats, and construction materials. It fits into a standard receiver hitch and can support loads of up to 180 kilograms. When not in use, it can be stowed away in the truck bed. The price is set at $190. If you own a pickup truck, you've likely experienced the frustration of using a tailgate pad to transport bikes or gear, only to find it causes damage. This is exactly what happened to Jeff Sayeg, the founder who, after facing the same issue, decided to create the MULTITASKR. A rack system designed to securely transport gear like bikes, surfboards, kayaks and ladders. Made from aerospace-grade material, it features 2 crossbars, one positioned at the bottom of the truck bed and another at tailgate height. Secured to the truck bed sides using T-handles. The system also includes locking mechanisms, so you don't need to use ropes either. Plus, when you're not hauling anything, you can remove the rack in about a minute. The basic model costs around $600. Don't forget to subscribe to Unstoppable Gadgets. And if you want to check out some more pickup truck upgrades, click on the screen for the next video.